So let's start the process. So the first thing you need is an empty container and a poly bag. Now adding poly bag to the container is completely optional. And now after fixing it over the container, it's time to fill the water. And this is how I fill the water, guys. And here I am using the water at room temperature. It is not warm, hot or cold. And now it's time to use some of our beautiful nail paints. So the color you want to use is completely up to you. And now the most important thing which we need to create is the beautiful candle. Definitely. So here I'm using one of my beautiful square candle. It is up to you whichever candle you want to use. And guys, here I'm showing you that it is always better to do practice first before doing the final work. And guys, here is the final result, and it is exactly what I expected from it. And I'm so happy, guys. It is looking wonderful, it is looking so beautiful. And here is the most important thing which you have to keep in mind, that just after removing it from the water, if you are trying to use a tissue paper and remove the water drops from it, please don't do it until and unless the nail paint will get dry completely. Please don't use any cloth or tissue paper onto it. And this is the result, guys. I'm in love with it. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.